Better to have 1% of the working power of 100 people than 100% of my own. Does this quote make any sense? Does it signify the path to financial independency? Yes, this is your chance. And the best thing about it? It's completely free of charge. Unfortunately, a lot of people do not know how easy becoming financially independent truly is. Most people do the same thing day in and day out. Why? High living costs, a mortgage to pay, and other financial obligations. These burdens take up a whole lot of your precious time throughout your entire adult life, which is why there is often not enough time for the most important aspect of life, the family. The question remains, is all this really necessary? More and more people are therefore looking for serious alternatives and for the opportunity to better their current situation for the long run. This is where Complicate comes in. Complicate is the sales network of Cashback World. Let's take a quick look at the facts and figures. The idea was born in 2003. Back then, around 15 years ago, it was merely an idea, a vision. Now there are hundreds of thousands of acceptance points and millions of satisfied customers. Billions of euros are generated, all thanks to Complicate. You wish to know how that is possible? On the one hand, there are products and services, and on the other, there are the customers who purchase these. It has always been this way, which is where we come in. We are a modern intermediary. We bring our customers to loyalty merchants of Cashback World. Thousands of major online shops and hundreds of thousands of acceptance points. From the small shop around the corner to the large retail chain, members can find all loyalty merchants at cashbackworld.com or on the Cashback World app. Loyalty merchants benefit from new customers and higher sales. They no longer need to look for customers. The customers will come to them. Loyalty merchants therefore pay a mediator commission. Our idea is as simple as it is ingenious. Instead of many different membership cards, you will only ever need one for nearly all shops, spanning almost every industry and country, from independent stores to online retailers. You sign up for free at cashbackworld.com and immediately start receiving some of your purchase amount back. For every purchase from a loyalty merchant, you will no longer need to collect stickers or stars, but will receive money back instead. You are bound to ask, how can I not only get money back from my purchases, but also earn good money from this idea? Thanks to Complicate, you now have the opportunity to create your own shopping network. The bigger and more attractive your network is, the higher your commission will be. Thousands of people already depend on Complicate for a living, and many are already financially independent. Why? Because we all need to shop. Sound interesting? Talk to the person who sent you this video and start building your path to financial independence today.